Hi everybody. So Okiocam sent me a package and it is for a new document camera. They asked if I would try it out and I am super excited to see what it looks like. So they sent me the Okiocam T. Okay, and if it fits in this box, you know it's gonna be tiny. All right, I'm excited. It's so cute. Okay, look how cute this is. I haven't even unwrapped it and it's cute. Bubble wrap. Comes with a little quick start guide. Okay, that's helpful. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's simple USB. That's really nice because that's less wires, less things to get tangled up. Gently move the arm from side to side. Oh, okay. Connect the arm into the U socket. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so little. Extend the arm, position the camera. Okay. We're learning, we getting there. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay. Store and use, all right. So, bam, done. That was like really quick. Look, time it out. It's like 45 seconds from opening up out of the box to having it. I mean, that's pretty wild. Okay, so let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is clear. Look at that, okay. Okay, so I push this button on the top, the little gray button, and it auto focuses for me. That's nice. See, and this is just the instructions I followed to get it set up. And you guys saw it took me 45, don't look at my nails, 45 whole seconds to get it done. This is the Okiocam T. Includes an arm extender, which I do have right here in case I need it even taller. So here are the buttons on the top. This one does the focus. This one can do snapshot and recording. Okay, this is awesome. So both of these can do snapshot or recording. You can set it up however you want. Can be used reverse the orientation of the camera. Oh my gosh, there's a left hand for you lefties. Okay, that is awesome. Y'all. Okay. So I can use it as a webcam. All right, so I actually really like this thing. What does this do? Okay, do y'all see how addictive this is? This is fun. All right, so it's called an Okiocam. This sucker is tiny. Oh my gosh, I really like this thing. So look at it. It's so cute. I mean, this little thing, and we're all about learning spaces, like moving things outside. So you don't actually have to have power. Look, I'm just pulling it off. So this folds up. I mean, obviously I would fold it up neater, but this folds up really small. And if you're doing a lot of traveling to present, this is easily able to go places. Like, I am pumped about this. I am presenting in FETC in a couple of months, and this is a fantastic chance for me to take this with me and use a document camera and not have to request one of their document cameras, which I may not know how to work, and operator error with me is high. But this sucker was easy to use and it's so cute and tiny. So way to go, Okiocam. That is awesome.